What is artificial intelligence or AI? What exactly does AI do? Where is AI used? Is AI good or bad? These and many other AI basic concepts will be explained today in simple terms. Easy to understand language. Hello, curious minds. Welcome to your channel, Adaptability, an AI education channel on YouTube, where we talk about artificial intelligence concepts, current AI trends, and news and future of AI. Let's understand artificial intelligence. Have you ever wondered, out of millions of species in the world, what sets humans apart? What has allowed us to shape and dominate the environment around us? It is human intelligence. Our advanced brain structure, combined with many other factors, have helped us develop a level of intelligence that is unparalleled in the animal kingdom, enabling us to innovate, adapt, and thrive in diverse environments. Now, humans are getting close to creating the amazing abilities of human intelligence in machines. This is what we call artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a broad field of computer science that deals with creating intelligent agents, which are systems that can reason, learn, and act autonomously. In simple terms, artificial intelligence is like giving a brain to a computer. It allows machines to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes learning from experience, just like we do in our real life, understanding language, recognizing patterns, and solving problems based on what it learns. If you've ever talked to Siri, Alexa, or Google Voice Assistant, you're using AI. Those assistants listen, understand, and respond to you, just like a person. Why is artificial intelligence important? AI has gained immense importance in various domains due to its numerous benefits. We now have AI-powered machine interfaces that are human-friendly. Previously, humans had to talk to machines in the language of machines to make things happen. Now, this AI-powered interface has figured out how to talk to both humans and machines, and this is only the start of the revolution. AI can make our lives easier by doing boring or repetitive tasks, like sorting through lots of information quickly. AI has the potential to revolutionize industries, improve efficiency, and enhance decision-making processes. AI is shaping the future of various industries and aspects of our society. For example, it also assists doctors in finding diseases faster or helps scientists discover new medicines. How does artificial intelligence work? AI operates by combining algorithms, meaning a set of rules or instructions with data to make predictions or decisions. The process usually involves several steps. Data collection. AI systems collect a massive amount of data. For instance, for an AI to recognize different animals, it would need thousands of pictures of animals, just like our younger audience receiving a lot of homework. Training. The system uses this data to train itself. It learns from examples, recognizing patterns, and improving over time. For example, if you show it lots of pictures of cats and dogs, it can learn to tell the difference between them. Decision making. Once trained, the AI can then make decisions based on new data, like identifying a dog in a photo it has never seen before. Solving problems. For technical audiences, this means creating models that can generalize well on unseen data using methods like supervised learning or unsupervised learning, depending on the task at hand. Our younger audience can compare it to learning how to ride a bike. At first, you're wobbly, but with practice, you get better and can ride smoothly. AI learns the same way. What are the different types of artificial intelligence? Let's understand types of AI categorized by actions that can be performed. Narrow AI. This type of AI is designed to do one specific task, like face recognition or playing chess. It can't do anything beyond that specific function. Our laypeople can think of narrow AI as a really talented person who is great at one thing. Maybe they are amazing at painting but can't cook or play sports. That's how Google Translate or Spotify's music recommendation system works. They focus on one task really well. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. This is the dream of creating machines that can think, learn, and adapt just like a human across multiple tasks. In simple terms, it is ability for a machine to sense, think, and act just like a human. A GI does not yet exist. Systems like GPT models are steps in that direction, but they are still classified as narrow AI because their intelligence is limited to the information they've been trained on. In short, AGI would be like creating a robot that could not only help you with homework, but also clean your room and tell jokes. Artificial Superintelligence, ASI. A hypothetical form of AI that surpasses human intelligence across all fields. In this level, the machine would be able to function in all ways superior to a human. This remains a topic of speculation and research. Is AI good or bad? To answer this question, we'll first need to consider both advantages and disadvantages of AI. What are advantages of AI? Then fewer mistakes. One of the best things about AI is that it helps reduce human errors. AI systems are built to make fewer mistakes than people do, which means they can get things right more often. Automation and efficiency. AI is great at taking over boring and repetitive tasks. This helps businesses work faster and save money. When AI does the routine work, people can focus on more interesting and creative jobs. Fast data analysis. AI can quickly look at huge amounts of data and find patterns that humans might miss. This is super helpful in areas like business, finance, and healthcare, where making smart decisions is important. Better decision making. With the insights provided by AI, businesses and individuals can make better choices. For example, AI can help doctors diagnose illnesses more accurately or help investors decide where to put their money. Innovation and new ideas. AI drives innovation by helping create new products and services. For instance, it's crucial in developing self-driving cars, personalized medicine, and advanced robots. Solving big problems. AI can help tackle complex issues like climate change, poverty, and diseases by analyzing data and predicting outcomes. This makes it a valuable tool for researchers and leaders looking for solutions. Personalized experiences. AI can customize experiences based on what people like. For example, when you get movie recommendations on streaming services, that's AI tailoring suggestions just for you. Always on duty. Unlike humans, AI systems don't need breaks or sleep. They can work 24/7, making them perfect for jobs that need constant attention, like monitoring security systems. What are disadvantages of AI? High costs. One downside of AI is that it can be expensive to set up and maintain. AI, especially machine learning, often requires substantial computing power for tasks like training models and processing data. On top of these, there are costs associated with acquiring and managing data, hiring and retaining skilled professionals, and research and development costs. Creating these smart systems requires a lot of money. Job losses. A big concern is that as AI gets better at doing tasks, it might replace some jobs that people currently do. This could lead to unemployment in certain industries. For instance, self-checkout machines in grocery stores have reduced the need for cashiers. While this makes shopping faster, it also means some people lose their jobs. Bias and unfairness. Sometimes AI can learn biases from the data it's trained on. This means it might make unfair decisions, like favoring certain groups over others in hiring processes. A notable example is Amazon's hiring algorithm, which favored male candidates because it learned from data reflecting a male-dominated workforce. This is like playing a game where only certain players get extra points just because they are from one team, not because they played better. Privacy issues. AI often needs access to a lot of personal data to function well. This raises questions about how our information is collected and used, making privacy a big concern. For example, when you use a health app or a smartwatch that tracks your activities, it collects data about your daily habits. If this data isn't protected properly, it could be misused or fall into the wrong hands, similar to how someone might snoop through your diary if you leave it out in the open. Security risks and misuse of AI. Like any technology, AI systems can be hacked or attacked. leading to data breaches or failures in critical services. Cybercriminals can exploit AI's capabilities to launch sophisticated attacks. For example, they might use AI to create convincing phishing emails that trick people into revealing personal information or downloading harmful software. Imagine receiving an email from what looks like your bank asking for your password. If it's crafted by AI, it might seem very real. Using this, criminals could access sensitive financial information. It's like leaving your house unlocked. Anyone can walk in and take what they want if you're not careful. Lack of clarity. Some AI systems are so complex that it's hard to understand how they make decisions. This lack of transparency can lead to trust issues since people want to know why an AI made a particular choice. For example, if an AI program decides who gets approved for a loan but doesn't explain its reasoning, it can create distrust among users.
Ethical questions. The rise of AI brings up many ethical concerns, such as how it should be used responsibly and who benefits from its advancements. It's important to have rules in place to guide the development of AI technology. For example, if cities use facial recognition everywhere to monitor citizens, it might help catch criminals but could also invade people's privacy, like having someone watch you all the time without your consent. Dependence on technology relying too much on AI could cause people to lose some skills over time. If an AI system fails or isn't available, humans might struggle because they've become too dependent on it. For example, if students use calculators for all their math homework, they might struggle with basic arithmetic later on. It's like always using training wheels on a bike. You might never learn how to ride without them. So, is AI good or bad? AI can be both good and bad. It can help us solve big problems like diseases and climate change, but it can also be used for bad things, like hacking or spreading fake news. It's important to use AI responsibly. Where is AI used today? AI is everywhere today. Here are some key examples. Everyday life. When you ask your smart speaker to tell you a joke or play a game, that's AI, helping you have fun. From chatbots answering questions to your smartphone predicting what you want to type next. AI is becoming a part of daily life, but there are also other applications of AI. Healthcare. AI helps doctors by analyzing medical images like X-rays or predicting diseases based on data. You can think of AI as a super smart helper for doctors. It can look at pictures of your body, like X-rays, and help find problems early, just like a very detailed game of spot the difference. Finance. Banks use AI for fraud detection by monitoring unusual spending patterns. AI acts like a security guard for your money, spotting weird purchases that don't look like things you'd normally buy. Gaming. AI helps create smarter game characters that can adapt to how you play. AI can create realistic game worlds, realistic opponents that learn from you. We have already created videos on AI and gaming. Feel free to check them out if you are curious about AI and gaming. Self-driving cars. Some cars can drive themselves using AI. They learn to recognize traffic signs and avoid obstacles just like a human driver would. AI helps cars drive themselves by teaching them to see the road and make decisions, using cameras and real-time sensor data for object detection, path planning, road conditions, and decision-making. Education. AI helps create homework that changes based on how you are doing, making it easier if you're struggling or harder if you're finding it too easy. These are only some of many ways artificial intelligence is being used today. And we haven't even discussed ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Midjourney, and other AI tools yet. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe this channel for more such educational video.